Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, on a very beautiful New York City summer afternoon, as I'm sure you could tell right behind me here at the Modern Wall Street studio. In truth, it's way too humid to go outside, so indoors it is. But guess what? It's also nearly that time for everybody to go outdoors and, well, cool down with a drink, because it's almost 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close, and that means it's happy hour in the Big Apple. Now stocks seeing narrow trade this Wednesday as investors attempt to reach even more record high levels. Can they do it? Well, let's find out. The Dow Jones average and the S&P 500 setting all-time intraday highs shortly after the open, but in afternoon trade, the Dow about 30 points higher, while the S&P about half a point on the upside, heading into the closing bell. Meanwhile, on today's data front, import prices for June rising 0.2%. Missing expectations, while export prices, they rose 0.8%. Also, the Federal Reserve releasing the latest edition of the Beige Book, which said economic activity in most regions increased at a modest pace. Modest pace. In addition, oil markets falling on Wednesday, with U.S. crude settling at a 2-month low, $44.75 a barrel. This after supply data showed crude stocks fell by 2.54 million last week, as well as a build of 1.2 million gasoline barrels. And when seen with the U.S. dollar trading about 0.2% lower against its major counterparts, then you have yourself a session right now where 4 stocks are in the red for every 3 advancers over at the big board, less than a block away. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this mostly volatile and seesaw trading session. And due to a lack of corporate data as well as a lack of major sports tonight, I'm going to say the following. 3 things. 1, go out there and support the U.S. economy. Buy American beer for happy hour. Also, watch movies like that animated pet one if you don't want to drink. I heard it's really good. I don't know the name of it, but it's animated and it's about pets. Looks really good. Or you could be like me. Tonight, 8 p.m., subscribe to the WWE Network. Yes, I'm giving them a plug because it's Finn Balor versus the King of Strong Style, Shinsuke Nakamura. And you know why you have to watch it? Because I am telling you. Some people will get that reference, but I'm really hyped for that. Yes, I know it's staged. I don't care, because it's great. King of Strong Style. Over. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney.